In this video, I'll be going over how to find the range of a dataset. The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value. So here I have two examples. What we're trying to find out is the highest number and the lowest number, and basically take the highest number minus the lowest number. So for the first example, what I like to do is put them in order. I would go through the first set of numbers and find the lowest number first. In this case, I have 4 as the lowest number. Next, I will start counting upwards and see if I can find the next number up, and 5 will be the next. Then 6, I have 2 of those. Then 7, 8, 9, we have 2 of those, and 10. So now that we have them in order, all we gotta do is find the lowest number, which is 4, highest number is 10, and then we would take 10 minus 4, and the answer will be 6. So the range for the first example is 6. Now for the second example, the numbers are double digits, but we'll use the same process and find the lowest number first. So by looking at the number, I can tell that 21 is the lowest. So we'll start with 21. Next, 24. Next, 28. Next, 32. Next, 38. Next, 46. Next, 52. Then 59. And lastly, 68. Okay, and the lowest value we have at 21, highest at 68. So 68 minus 21 equal 47. Therefore, our range is 47. So these two examples are how you will find the range of a dataset. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.